everyone. Today we are going to talk about another free Chrome extension. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Extensity and what that can do for you. If you're like me, you'll know that I have a lot of Chrome extensions. I enjoy trying them out, seeing what they do, how they can help out. So if you're like me, you have a lot of them. Over time, they do start to slow down your Chrome browser, which is not something that we want. Extensity is a wonderful Chrome extension that speeds things up by turning off extensions that you're not currently using. So let's talk a little bit about Extensity. The very first thing that we're going to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. Now there's multiple ways of getting there, but if you're not sure how, you always can simply search Chrome Web Store and click on the first link. In order to find this extension, you're going to search the store for Extensity, E-X-T-E-N-S-I-T-Y. When you click on this, do some searching, you're going to find the logo looks like this, kind of a circle, kind of a yin-yang symbol, and it's going to be Extensity. It's going to tell you that it quickly enables and disables Google Chrome extensions. It's going to have an option here for you to add this extension. I already have, so it is just going to give me the option to rate it. Once Extensity is installed, it's going to look like this up on your extension bar. And the way Extensity works, when you click on it, it's going to show you a list of every extension that you have installed to your account. Now you're going to see I have a lot of them. I like trying out extensions so that I can tell other people what they do, but I definitely don't need them all up on my taskbar. When you start getting a lot of extensions, it can take up a lot of space on your Google browser, and it can take it longer for things to open up, web pages to load, and things like that. I don't necessarily want to uninstall them because I do use them from time to time, whether I'm using it in a demonstration or with a student. So I don't want to get rid of them, but I definitely don't need them slowing down my browsing experience. That's where Extensity comes in. So in order to use Extensity, you simply click on the extension, and on this list, you're going to see that some of my extensions are bright white with black writing, and some of them are going to be grayed out. What this means is if it is a grayed out extension, it means that Extensity currently has it turned off. So any of them that are bright white with the black writing, those are currently turned on. So let's look for an example. We're going to look at this extension. This one's called Loom. Okay, so this kind of red flower-like symbol here is called Loom. So let's scroll down. Okay, there it is, Loom for Chrome. So Loom currently is turned on. I'm seeing it here so I can use it. If I know I'm not going to be using Loom for a while, I can go into Extensity and simply click on it. You're going to see that it instantly turns gray here and the extension icon disappeared up here. That's telling me that Extensity is currently turned off. If I want to use it again, I'm just going to come in again to Extensity, scroll on down to Loom, and click on it, and it will turn it back on and make it available to me again. So again, the extension we're talking about today is Extensity, which is an extension to manage your extensions.